welcome back. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who is a new subscriber. I really appreciate it, and to those of you that have already been subscribed to my channel, I thank you also. I really appreciate it. It means more to me than you'll even know. But anyway, today's haul is basically storage stuff. My craft room was a horrific mess, so I decided, well, my husband went down and bought me a new shelf so that I can put all my crafting stuff on it, and I needed some storage bins, so I went to the Dollar Tree to get them. And Dollar Tree is putting out new things for school, for back to school, and I noticed a lot of the new stuff is storage container related. So anyway, I thought I'd go ahead and grab some of the things that they had. So I'm going to go ahead and start showing you what I got. So the first thing I picked up is this. Now this is really cool, and they had it in different colors. I just wanted the clear because most of my decor is whites and grays and you know, those types of colors. And they did have a lot of these that were in more bright colors than this, but I was just trying to stick with my color scheme of grays and whites. So clear, same thing as white pretty much. So anyway, I went ahead and picked this up, and this is a pretty good size. I'm not sure how big it is exactly, but it just says it's a storage container, and it does come with this lid. Now I had to go through and find the lid to fit it, or that went with it, because they had a bunch of different colors. And just make sure whenever you see these that they do come with lids, so make sure you look for the lid, because you don't want, you know, you want to get your dollar's worth and get the lid that goes with it. So anyway, I grabbed one of these. Now the next things that I found were for the back to school section, and they are these, and these are name brand, they're Sterilite, and these are 9 inches long by 7 1/4 inches wide, and 6 1/8 inch high, or something like that. But they are really cute. They're like these little, remember the milk crates back in school? They're like miniature milk crates. So, and they are stackable. You can stack them on top of each other. So I went ahead and just grabbed 2 of these, and they did have these in several different colors too. So, you know, if you're looking for something for your kid for back to school, this would be, you know, go to Dollar Tree. They're getting all these new stuff out. And I'm wondering, it looks like you can connect these because they have little, oh, you sure can. Looky there. They're not going to stay completely, I don't think. Oh yeah, here. Let's push it in some more. They kind of lock in sideways too, so that's really neat. I didn't know that until just now. Cool. So anyway, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. The next things that I found are new, at least to my Dollar Tree, but they are these little storage containers. Now these are really cute. I don't think these had any kind of lids or anything, but they did have these 2 different sizes. This one is a little bit longer, and they do have these in several different colors. So I found it in the gray, and I grabbed 2 of this size, and it doesn't have the size on here either, but they're pretty decent size. They're not like huge or anything, but they're still really cute, and I do like them. So I grabbed 2 of those, and then I found 2 of these smaller ones that are just a little bit smaller, but I really liked them, and they do have them in different colors. So I noticed that those were new, at least new to me. Now something that I got that I've hauled before that I have purchased is the By Essentials collapsible storage container, and this is the 10 1/2 inch by 11. So, and it's the one with the marble pattern on the front. I already have 2 of these, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 more. I really do like them. They hold quite a bit of things, so yeah, so I just went ahead and grabbed 2 more of these. And then I seen they had these. Now, they seem to always have these at the Dollar Tree, but at my Dollar Tree, they don't always have them in this color in white. They're usually all in, you know, all colors of the rainbow, but white. So when I seen that they had these, I went ahead and grabbed 3 of them. I believe these are the ones that you can write on. I know they had the ones that say dry erase, I think, on them, but these don't have that. They're just a plain white bucket, but you could probably still write on them with a dry erase marker or something. So these are a pretty good deal too. So I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of those. Okay, so the next thing that I got was also in the school supply section. I'm needing some paper clips, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 packages of these paper clips from Jot, and I went ahead and grabbed the ones in the different colors because, I don't know, they're just funner. But I grabbed these. They're 250 in here, and these are the smaller sized paper clips. So I probably shouldn't run out of those for a while. And then I grabbed these larger ones. There's 80 in here, and they're just the bigger size paper clips. So I went ahead and grabbed a package of those. The next thing I got is, I mean, boring. It's from the crafters section, but it's the floral foam. I grabbed, you get 2 in a pack, which is a really good deal, 2 for $1. So I grabbed 1 package of those. The next thing that I found, I thought were so cute. So they are these wall decals, and I grabbed 2. They say 2 different things. So this first one says wash, dry, fold, repeat. And I'll try and show you this picture right up here. That's what you get. And I thought this would be cute just to put in my laundry room, or maybe possibly make like a Dollar Tree picture frame or something, and kind of doing my own little thing on it and putting this so I could set it up on my washer or my dryer or on a shelf or something in the laundry room. I thought that was cute. So I grabbed 1 of those. And then this one says laundry room. And then it has sort tomorrow, wash later, dry soon, fold maybe, iron, get real. So I thought that was really cute. I figured I'd put that in my laundry room also. So, and it looks, you know, quite farmhousey. So, how did it sit down? So anyway, I went ahead and grabbed that one. The next thing that I picked up are these glue dots. There's 36 in here. It's just, I guess, the brand Glue Dots. And I got the, I think these are strong. Yeah, the Strong Bond ones. And the reason why I've never used these glue dots before, I got these because I'm doing a vision board. And usually I use a glue stick, but I thought I'd go ahead and try to use glue dots instead. So I grabbed 1 package of those. And I don't know if I said it or not, but you get 36 in here, which is a pretty good deal, I guess, for $1. The next thing that I got are in the fall floral section, and they were just putting these out, but they are really cute. They are the Garland, and I've never seen these at Dollar Tree before. I don't know if this is like a new product that they're getting in or what, but I have seen these at Hobby Lobby, and they're a lot more than $1. So anyway, there's 9 feet here, and it's just says Garland on it in the floral garden section. But I grabbed 1 of each that they had. This one is sort of a bright orange color, so I grabbed that one. This next one is more of a dark red color. The little berries, I guess, that are on there are a dark red. And then this other one is, I don't really know. It's not really red or orange, but it looks like it's got just a mixture of different colors on there. So I went ahead and grabbed 1 of those. Now, the next are also from the Dollar Tree floral section, and I have been looking for some of these pomegranates, and I finally found them. So I'm going to show you each one here. This first one, it just says many pomegranates, and it's real, just a bright orange color. I got these because I'm going to be doing some fall wreaths, and I thought these would look good on a wreath. So I grabbed that one. The other ones that I got, I tried to grab two or one of each color that they had. This next one has, it looks like little red splatters of paint on there, but it's sort of a reddish orange pomegranate, which these are really cute though. I don't think Dollar Tree has ever had these before either. So anyway, I went ahead and grabbed one bunch of those. And then the last bunch that I grabbed is this sort of a dark red color with a little bit of green on there. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. The next two things that they had were these really cute cotton stems with the cattails, which I thought, it just says bouquet on there, but these are really cool, and it has the pine cones. So they had a couple of different ones where the cattails were a different color. They had one that was like a really dark color, dark brown. But I liked these two, so I went ahead and just grabbed this one that has sort of a lighter brown color with the cotton stem on there, and then the pine cones. There's two pine cones on there. And then this other one is just a little bit darker. The cattail's a little bit darker, and then it has the cotton stem and the pine cones. But I thought that was a really good deal for $1. Okay, now the last thing that I found has to do with the books. My Dollar Trees rarely get any good books in, so it's on a rare occasion that I find something that I like. They usually have books, you know, for the little kids, but and they always have cookbooks too, which I like cookbooks, but I've got a lot of them, and I say that now, but this one that I got is a cookbook. But I am the biggest fan of The Walking Dead. I'm probably the only fan left, because it seems like The Walking Dead following is dying off, but I still love it. I love it. Same with True Blood. Did anybody watch True Blood when it was on HBO, when it was like a thing? I read all the books, and then whenever it became a show, I have every season on DVD. I have every season of The Walking Dead on DVD too. But when True Blood ended, I'm still a big fan, and I'll still watch that show on my DVDs. I'll sit down and I'll just binge watch them. But anyway, this one reminded me of The Walking Dead. Now, it's not The Walking Dead, but it did remind me of it. It's called The Snacking Dead, and it's a parody in a cookbook by D.B. Walker. And this thing is so cool, so I got a little chuckle whenever I've seen it, and I thought, man, I'm going to have to get that, because that is so funny. But here's the back of it. That's a big old sandwich. But when I opened it up, like, the title even looks like the Walking Dead title of the show. And then you go open up the first page here, and it has a picture of like a grilled cheese sandwich. But look at the zombie hand coming up. I seen that. As soon as I opened it, I was like, yeah, I'm going to get it. I don't know if I'll ever cook out of it, but I'm definitely going to get it. But I thought it was so neat. But on this introduction page, it tells you the contents. But chapter 1, it says appetizers for an apocalypse. 2, eating on the run. Chapter 3, messy bites for the newly dead. Epilogue, last call. And then it has the acknowledgments and index. But those chapters, those were too funny. So anyway, you open up for the 1 appetizers for an apocalypse. Look at that. They have zombies on a chain. It's supposed to be like Michonne when she had the 2 zombies, the headless or the armless zombies, and she had her sword. But this guy has got like a, I don't know what that is. But that's so funny Oh my goodness. I just love it. I love it. So anyway, that's the reason why I got this book. So if you guys are fans of The Walking Dead and you happen to see this book, grab it because it's pretty funny. And it is like a parody on the Walking Dead. Headless body in a topless bar. So anyway, that is all of my Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, I'd appreciate it if you did. I hope that you guys are having a good week, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!